This is New Young performance series from his archives, Volume 5. It's called Tonight's the Night Live at the Roxy Theater in Los Angeles, California, 1973. Let's open that. This is the band. This is hang on. I can see it. This is Neil Flogren, his face and show on guitar. Neil Young, piano, vocal, guitar. Ben Keith on steel guitar. Ralph Molina on drums. And Billy Talbot on bass. This is the paper sleeve, This is Neil Young, Ben Keith on his problem, Billy Talbot, Ralph Molina. They call themselves the Santa Monica Flyers. So yeah, some credits. This is promote flyer for the acts which you have in this Neil Young. Green Flash Favor, Michael Polacco, Cheat and Chang, Joe Washpan, Barnstorm, Poco. Leaving hell is the best revenge. Just really, cool dog. I like it. This is hang on. That's the first side of the albums, right? So we got intro, Tonight's the Night, Run Out the Barrel. This is a cover. They play on piano, instrumental. Mellow My Mind, War on the String, and Ben and Joe. He and Joe introduced to the audience the whole band. This is side 2. You can see the checklist here. Speaking Out, Candy Bar Rap, Albuquerque, Pericoma Rap, New Mama, David Kiffin Rap, row number. Okay. This is the second disc of the albums. Some test pressing. The ticket for Roxy. Sunday, September 25th, 1973. Yeah, Green to watch Poco, Cheat and Chang. And yeah, you can see it. This is the view, the Roxy Theater. This is the Lion Note. This is the third and the final side of the albums. It's Tie Eyes, Tonight's the Night Part 2, Walk On, and the outro, the end of the show. Master from original analog tapes, side 3. Produced by Neil Young and David Briggs. Published by Silver Fiddle. Yeah, this is the year. Silver Ball Productions. Performance Series Volume 5. This is the Roxy logo, etched on the fourth side. You can see it here, yeah, with the flashlight you can see here the logo running through. It's a Roxy logo, right? And that was it. Thank you all for watching. This is Neil Young, Tonight's the Night, live at the Roxy Theater. Peace out.